Okay, so I'm going to make my favourite dish called chocolate Swedish balls. It's easy to make, it's no bake, and you can make it in no time. So for that you will need rolled oats, vanilla essence, desiccated coconut, sugar, cocoa powder, butter and salt. For exact measurements, check the description box below. Let's get started. Put all the ingredients in the grinder or the food processor. Here I'm going to add coffee water. If you don't like the taste of coffee water, add 2 teaspoons of water. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients. See how it is? I think we still need to mix it a bit more. Now the mixture is completely done, so I will transfer into a bowl. So now I'm going to make little balls. You can make it any size you want, big, small, medium, whatever. Now my chocolate balls are ready. I'm going to roll them in coconut. You can also roll them in chocolate sprinkles because I like coconut, so I will do it in coconut. Look, I've done one. I'll do the same way on the others. Look, my Swedish balls are looking delicious. Please do try at home. Everybody stay safe and see you soon. Happy birthday to me.